Ayan ang lugar daw ito.
Nagtipunan sa.
We are here in Nagtipunan. We dropped by for a pie. Egg pie. Can I take the photo of the egg pie? Can I take the photo of the egg pie?
Ako, I took it already. Pares kami.
There is egg pie. We ate. We dropped by here just for this pie. Thank you. That is the pie. Why we dropped by here? Here in Nagtipunan. Later we are going to eat near the beach. There are members of my family waiting for the time.
Gusto ni Gael yung egg pie. Hindi tayo makain.
Sarap kaya. Talagang bili tayo pag uwi bukas.
Pag-uwi na lang.
Some are eating breakfast. I mean snacks. Everybody's having some snacks. This is the restaurant where we dropped by. This is the second time around that I came here in this place. Kumain na kami ng egg pie. We're all enjoying. We dropped by for a snack before we reach the beach.
Nagpalit na kayo ng battery. Obligato. 2 years na, di ba? Hindi na sabi. Daily na ginagamit ng sasakyan. Lalo pag
Walang pahinga.
Talaga, buti doon
sabi,
kayo.
inabot ng 3 years eh.
Ay, sabi. Ay, wala akong 2 years.
Nakawag yung gagamitin namin na yun. Nang dumaan ka na nakabukas yung aircon. Doon madaling malubat. Sira ang battery.
This is a famous place where they buy the egg pie. Everybody loves the egg pie here.
Namatay na lang yung ganito.
Battery makina. Talagang hindi ko hilingi.
Nagpapatok na kami kalit.
Gagawa niyo. Oh, 2 years ka rin pala.
Inaantok na siya kanina. Kaya makatulog pa ba ito?
This is a restaurant at the same time. Many people drop by here because of their very popular egg pie. There is the egg pie. Their freezer is full of egg pie there. We will buy egg pie when we go home. We will drop by here again. This is a nice table, dining table.